The Southeast governors hereby resolve as follows. 1. All activities of IPOB are hereby proscribed. IPOB and all other agreed groups are advised to articulate.
The Southeast governors met yesterday and resolved as follows. All activities of IPOB are hereby proscribed. What that means is that all activities, that means you cannot gather for a meeting, anything under the name of IPOB. More so, the federal government, I think 2 days ago, has now classified, just like they did for Boko Haram, they've now classified IPOB as a terrorist organization.
To fly around and see whether there are gatherings of cows or anything. Then we send Miyetti Allah, who is my staff. Miyetti Allah is the government of another president. You know, to go to those.
Same way as the Sultan spoke. Any Igbo man who touches a northerner in Igbo land should first kill John Nnamdi.
Onye Igbo ọrụ asịsị wetakwa ya n'obodo a mụnwa bụ Nnamdi ga-abụ sabọtụ a.
Stand here and kept here. It won't happen to leaders from other parts of the country, and we are not happy about it. We are not happy about it.